Hello everyone, I am Ankit Kumar and I welcome you all to Education Circuit. And today we are going to cover very important topic, which is Pulitzer Prize 2021. And this is that much important topic that every year questions from this topic of set pattern are asked in almost every competitive examinations. Okay, so this topic is very important, so please listen to all the points carefully and attentively. You may face questions from this topic in your upcoming examination, any examination which you are going to face in 2021. Right, so let's start. And before starting, don't forget to click on subscribe button and active all notifications by clicking on bell icon, so you can get all videos related to most important topics and study material for your written examinations and SSB interview, for every test, every technique, how to prepare, how to crack SSB interview. Okay, and join Telegram group also. This is very important to join because we keep on providing important content on Telegram, and we also conduct quiz daily on Telegram, so it is going to be very helpful for you, so please must join it. Link is given in the description box below. Right, let's start. Pulitzer Prize is given in various categories like journalism, newspaper, magazine, literature, and musical composition. And it was established in 1917. Right? In 2021, it was given in more than 20 categories. But we are going to cover only very important categories from which questions are asked in your competitive examinations. So let's see what all categories these are. Let's begin. In the category of public service, Pulitzer Award in 2021 was given to the New York Times. The New York Times is a newspaper in America, and this prize was given to the New York Times for covering very nice information during coronavirus pandemic last year in 2020, and it helped government, medical staff and public to fight with coronavirus. Okay, so for their extraordinary piece of work during COVID pandemic, Pulitzer Prize 2021 in the category of public service was given to the New York Times. Okay, very important question. Let's move on. And in the category of international reporting, this award was given to Megha Raj Gopalan, Alison Killing and Christo Bushek. They all three were given this prize together, and they are from BuzzFeed News. BuzzFeed News is a digital company which delivers news internationally and entertainment to millions of people across the world. And this prize was given to them because by using satellite imagery, they told the world that how China is increasing the installment of prisons under which Muslims were being detained and harassed. Okay, so they covered it by using satellite imagery and told the whole world about it. Okay, so for their this work, Pulitzer Prize of 2021 in the category of international reporting was given to them. Okay, this question is very important, and you may face this question in your examination. Right, let's move on. And in the category of criticism, this award was given to Mr. Wesley Morris, and he is from the New York Times. Again, the New York Times is a newspaper of America. So in the field of criticism, this award was given to Mr. Wesley Morris. Right, this category is important also. And most important topics from which questions are asked in your competitive examinations of set pattern every year, like Padma Awards, Khel Ratna, Gallantry Awards, Miss World, Miss Universe, Oscar Awards, Grammy Awards, etc. We have already made videos on these all topics. If you have not watched them yet, so please must go through them because these are very important topics for your GK and current affairs section. And the link of complete playlist of these videos is given in the description box below and in the I button, and these videos are available on the end screen in the end of this video. Okay, let's move on. In the category of special citation, this prize was given to Miss Darnella Frazier. She is a teenager, and she was given this award for filming a scene of murder of Mr. George Floyd by American police. Okay, he was murdered openly on a road by police of America. Right, so she made a video of it, and for that she was awarded by Pulitzer Prize 2021 in the field of special citation. Okay, this category too is very important. Right, let's move on. And in the category of fiction, this award was given to The Night Watchman by Miss Louise Erdrich. See, this category too is very very important, and questions related to category of fiction are often asked. Okay, so you must know this question. And in the category of history, this prize was given to franchise The Golden Arches in Black America, which is written by Miss Marcia Catlin. Okay, this category too is very important. So in the category of history, Pulitzer Prize 2021 was given to franchise The Golden Arches in Black America. Okay, this is the name of a book and it is written by Miss Marcia Catlin, right? This is very important. Let's move on. And in the category of biography, this prize of 2021 was given to The Dead Are Arising, The Life of Malcolm X, and it was written by Les Payne and Tamara Payne. Malcolm X is a person. Okay, so this is also very important, and there is one request to you people: please like and share these videos because these are very very important topics, and if you share these topics with your friends, so they can also perform well in their examinations. Okay, in the category of poetry, Pulitzer Award 2021 was given to Post-Colonial Love Poem, and it is written by Nathalie Diaz. This category too is very very important. We are covering only those categories which are very prone to be asked in your competitive examinations and from which questions are often asked. Okay, so please try to memorize them and do revision of them also. Okay, because it is little difficult to remember these names and books and the winners because these are not of India, but this topic is very important. It is asked in competitive examinations in India. Okay, let's move ahead. And in the category of drama, this prize was given to The Hot Winking, and it is written by Miss Katori Hall. Right, so this category is also very important, and this award was given to The Hot Winking, which is by Miss Katori Hall. And in the category of music, Pulitzer Award of 2021 was given to Stride, which is by Tania Leon. The category of music is also very very important. So in 2021 Pulitzer Prize, in the category of music, this award was given to Stride, which is by Miss Tania Leon. Okay, so these are the very very important Pulitzer awards, and we have covered very important categories only. These are those categories from which questions are asked in your competitive examinations, and please do revision of this topic because it is little difficult to remember the name and winners. So I hope this video would have been very informative for you, and if it is informative, so please like and share this video with your friends and your relatives and near ones. And for getting more videos on such very very important topics for your competitive examinations and study material and for your SSB interview, don't forget to click on subscribe button and active all notifications by clicking on bell icon. Okay, and if you have any doubt, any query, so you are most welcome to write down in the comment box below. I will definitely reply and solve your problem. And all the very best for your written examinations and SSB interview. And that's all for today. Bye for now.